Over the years, numerous prophecies have been spread about the end of the world. Numerous scientists and theologians claim to know the exact date on which the world may come to an end. If you wish to know the exact dates and what is going to occur, I invite you to stay in this video, titled The 7 Most Accurate Dates in Which the World Will Possibly End. Number 7. March 16, 2880. The planet Earth is located in an area of permanent threats. One of these threats is already on its way. It is the asteroid named as 1950 AD. This asteroid is considered to have the highest possibility of colliding with Earth. With a diameter of 1.3 kilometers and moving at a speed of 15 kilometers per second, this spaced object is the most threatening. Studies of NASA scientists claim that the impact zone of this asteroid will be the Atlantic Ocean. This could cause an explosion equivalent to 44,800 megatons of TNT. This would be enough to destroy the Earth. This event will occur on March 16, 2880. Even though there are still many years ahead before this occurrence takes place, it is creating continuous alarm for NASA. Number 6. Year 2100. Each day, around 367,000 people are born in the world. Human population grows increasingly high, while the Earth's resources are gradually depleted. According to a study published in the magazine Sustainability, such resources would come to an end within 83 years, which would mean the end of human life. Investigators arrived to this conclusion with the aid of a computer model that shows how quickly our planet's supplies would run out. Lands will become infertile, life quality will worsen, and water reserves will be exhausted due to climate change. Number 5. Year 2060. Many persons have dared to foresee when the world will end. However, one of the greatest physicists in history, Isaac Newton, is the most outstanding who came to predict that the world's decline will occur in 2060. This revelation is written in a letter found some years ago. Still, to arrive to this conclusion, he used Bible passages where it is assured that the world will end 1,260 years after the creation of the Roman Empire. As the Roman Empire was founded in the year 800, it places us 45 years towards the grand finale, precisely in the year 2060. No one knows for sure how it will happen, but what we all know is that the year 2060 is a reference in most of Newton's writings, which makes it mysterious. Number 4. February 5th, 2040. The universe has plenty of asteroids that could destroy the world. Threats are real, and new hazards against the Earth are constantly being discovered. The turn is now for an asteroid called 2011 AG5. It could be the next one in line to end with this planet. With around 140 meters in diameter, this asteroid is supposed to be another real threat to the Earth. It was discovered in 2011. This asteroid is already on course with our planet. However, the possibilities of impact will be 1 in 625 if we're unfortunate enough to be on its route. On February 5th, 2040, it will all be over. Number 3. April 13, 2036. We should not care about viruses or the food scarcity because what we really should worry about is for asteroids. Asteroids have the power to eliminate civilizations completely. They already did it with dinosaurs, and now mankind could be next. 1 out of the 100 hazardous objects for Earth is especially worrisome. The asteroid Apophis is an object that has 400 meters in diameter and moves dangerously towards Earth. Some claim that the impact would happen in the year 2036, and they recommend being alert. However, this asteroid is permanently changing its direction. During 2006, the possibility of collision with the Earth was alarming. However, in the next years, the odds were down. Still, recent findings revealed that the great risk will occur in 2036. In the event that the asteroid will hit the Earth, it would do so in Russia or in the Venezuelan region. Number 2. Year 2030. The extreme environmental degradation in which we find ourselves today, the last great natural catastrophes which our planet Earth has faced, will be the cause that by the year 2030, only 20% of human population will survive. According to the celebrated scientist James Lovelock, water, electricity, and air will only be accessible to the richest. Additionally, this scientist assures that by 2030, the climate will be so extreme that one side of the planet will be desert and the other like the Antarctic region, creating thus a great devastation. Europe will become a great desert, and some countries like UK or Ireland will disappear from the continent, covered by the ocean. It is good to remember that this scientist had already predicted an environmental alert. During 1965, he anticipated the exact consequences in the use of fossil fuels by the year 2000. By the year 2030, the real menace we are doomed to face will be the forces of our own Mother Nature. Enjoy life while you can. Number 1. Year 2021. Forgetting about asteroids and environmental catastrophes, we have a new theory about the end of the world. Based on ancient prophecy, a number of apocalyptic events such as floods, earthquakes, plagues, and deadly epidemics will result in the end of the world in the year 2021. Experts indicate that some biblical texts reveal that the world will witness Armageddon, an event known among Christians as the second coming of Jesus. Dr. Bishore, a theology expert, assures that his predictions are based on hidden messages contained in the Bible. Also, he warns that humanity must be ready because the worst will come in 2021. Number 0. February 1st, 2019. A new asteroid is coming, but different to the others. This one is really huge. The asteroid NG7, and one that is within the Earth's orbit, is the closest menace we have today. This asteroid, with a diameter of 4 kilometers, could wipe out an entire continent and cause severe climatic changes if it were to impact on Earth. According to astronomers, this asteroid should pass close to Earth on February 1st, 2019. While it is true that many asteroids circulate near the Earth, only a few have a great chance of colliding with our planet. However, we must keep our eyes open because bad luck can play us a dirty trick.